question 6, we've got a stone thrown from the top of a cliff at an angle 27 degrees below the horizontal. And it lands in the ocean about 35 meters away. So we're going to treat where it takes off as the, whatchamacallit. You know what I mean. Origin. Okay, taking the origin as the point of projection, show that the path of the stone has that. So we've got to go through the whole rigmarole and end up with that. We don't know V, but we know X dot will be at the initial T equals 0, V cos 27, negative 27, etc. Okay, so let's actually do this. X dot dot, Y dot dot. Oh yes, it likes us to use 10. Cambridge, good times. So we've got minus 10t plus c2. When t equals 0, x dot is v cos negative 27 and y dot v sine negative 27. So x dot, which is just c1, is v cos negative 27. Y dot, which at t equals 0 is 0. C2 is that, you've been through this, negative 10t plus v sine negative 27. Okey dokey. And now let's find these for actual path. So integrating again. C3. And we're taking off from the origin, so when t equals 0, x is 0, y is 0. So we know that the actual formula for C3 will disappear. So we've got the formula Vt cos negative 27. We're going to have to do something with that negative 27 soon. So up here I'm going to do the same for y. Obviously it's not going to be negative 10, sorry I forgot to actually integrate. Negative 5t squared Vt sine negative 27 C4. So the C4 is going to disappear. We're going to have negative 5t squared plus Vt sine negative 27. I'm going to rearrange this one. I'm going to get t equals x over v cos negative 27. Now I'm trying to remember about cos negative 27 and cos positive 27. They should be the same, shouldn't they? Yes. Let me go over here and do the rest. Y is negative 5 times t squared, so x squared. I'll write that closer. V squared cos squared negative 27 plus v times x on v cos negative 27 times sine negative 27. So I've got, now I want to get rid of that negative between the 27. So I've got negative 5x squared over v squared. Yes, this is going to end up as 10. Oh no, I'll leave it as cos. Cos negative 27 equals just cos 27 because it's fourth quadrant, and C is still positive. All stations to central. Sine negative 27 on the other hand is negative sine 27. So I've got v squared cos squared negative 27 plus, well, my v's cancelled out, and I had, so that's negative x sine 27 on cos 27. Why did I put those brackets in? It was a weird choice. Anyway, I've got minus x 5x squared over v squared cos squared 27 plus take x tan 27. Done. Hence find these things. Oh, right. I'm going to try and squeeze this onto the same page, even though I'm on an iPad and it's infinite pages. Initial speed of the stone. Why am I getting stumped by this? Well, v is the initial speed of the stone, yeah? And I might use the point at x equals 35, because we hit the ground at 35. Y equals minus 60. So minus 60, yeah, I'm not doing this on the same page, that was optimistic. Equals negative 5 times what x was 35 squared over v squared cos squared 27 minus 35 tan 27. Oh gosh, that's nasty. So I've got minus 60 plus 35 tan 27. Yeah, I'll leave it as it is. Minus 5 times 35 squared over v squared cos squared 27. So v squared equals minus 5 times 35 squared over cos squared 27 divided by 35 tan 27 minus 60. So v squared equals, I'm just going to put that in my calculator, I'm over it. It probably comes out, no, if sine and cos 27 is not going to be nice. So there's no point holding out for something nice algebraically. Minus 5 times 35 squared over cos 27, lots of brackets, squared, divided by bracket 35 tan 27 minus 60 bracket 182.968. So v is the square of that. We're not going backwards, so I don't worry about the negative. 13.5 meters per second, I'm assuming. Yeah, everything was meters. Direction the stone is moving. So that was I. So if we know, because I'm aiming for dy dx equals tan alpha, yeah? Gradient is tan alpha. When it lands in the ocean. So x is 35, y is minus 60. Okay, let's find dy dx. Did I actually stuff? Oh my gosh, I didn't find the speed of this. Yes, I did. Okay, ignore me. dy dx. Ugh, okay. So dy dx, I'm going to end up with negative 10x over this v squared cos squared 27 minus tan 27 because the x will disappear. Now I'm going to sub in those points, negative 10 times 35 over v squared. And I know v, it's 13.5. So it equals, I'm just putting this in my calculator, negative 10 times 35 over answer squared times cos 27 squared, take tan 27, and that's given me negative 2.9. So alpha must be arctan, the answer. This is, yeah, I'm not getting a good answer. I'm getting 71.1 degrees down from the horizontal. I'm going to leave you there while I try and see if this was correct. Hope you're well. Hope I have the microphone going. That'd be awkward if I didn't. Answers.pdf. Why did I download the answer, not the work solution? That was confident of me. Come on, question 10B. Oh, cool. Perfectly correct.